Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
I'm Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
We taught
6 count.
this month, and it was really fun.
You guys did great. First we learned our footwork. Followers starting on the right, leaders on the left. First we just did that quick, slow exercise where we were going quick, slow, slow. Quick, slow. We put the rock step in there. Rock step, slow, slow. Rock step, slow. Then we had everybody doing defensive slides.
To the left.
To the left.
To the right.
And then we put those triple steps into our basics. So it looks like rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step. Practice that a bunch on your free time. It will help you so much next week.
We got in a closed position. You saw it there. You were there. It was good. It looked like this. Rock step, triple step, triple step. We also kind of turned around a little bit. We went into this kind of open position for a little bit. And then we did 2 moves. They look like this. 1, 2, lift the hand, then turn. And then we changed the places. And we did those 4 things. Great work. Practice the footwork, and we'll see you next week. Bye.